Hey, here I am with the Redmi 13C and the POCO C65, and I'm gonna show you which smartphone has more options in the camera. So I'm gonna bring them together a little bit closer so it will be easier to make this comparison. And let's start from the time-lapse mode. So from here, let me just rotate the screen, there we go. So from here, when we are in the time-lapse and we want to check the quality, we can switch between the Full HD on the Redmi 13C and the 30 frames per second, and on the POCO also it looks the same. So we've got Full HD and the 30 frames per second. When we go for the duration, so there we got the speed. So the speed value is the same, and the duration, yeah, the duration is also the same. I just check it, there we go. Now when you click right here, we can also find the white balance, flash, shutter, speed, ISO, and exposure compensation. Now, when we go back from this one, we can move into the video mode. So from here, we've got also the resolution of the video. So on both devices, it's Full HD, 30 frames per second. And when we click on the settings, on both devices, we can actually find the same options. Next, let's move to the photo mode. And right here in the right bottom corner, we can actually find the filters. And it looks like there's the same amount of the filters, yeah. Everything is the same. When you go for the right side, right here, we can actually adjust this at more advanced settings. So we've got the flashlight, aspect ratio, HDR, grid lines, macro mode, timer, voice shutter, tilt shift, timed burst, and the watermark. In the left upper corner, we can find the Google Lens. And now when you go to the portrait mode, we can change the blur effect, and we can set it to the f16 on the both devices. And for the options, it actually looks the same. Now when you go for the night mode, everything is the same, and there we got also the 50 megapixel mode. Now we can skip into the settings. So let's open the settings like this. And first we can find the smart suggestion, the notification about the orientation, picture quality, mirror front camera, tap to take the photo, auto frame rate, the video encoder, it's the same, the volume buttons function. Below we can find the shot with screen off, preserve settings, custom shutter sound, and from here we've got save location info, shutter sound, anti-bending, and we can restore default settings of the camera. So as you can see on the both devices, it's actually the same. And if you wonder which one takes better photo, I can quickly check it for you. Of course, I'm gonna take only one photo, but if you are looking for the big comparison with the photos and the videos, I will have this video on my channel for in few days, so you can follow. And now let's take, for example, photo with the 50 megapixel mode. There we go, it was taken on the POCO C65. And now I'm gonna take the same photo on the Redmi 13C. I mean, I take it on the Redmi 13C, and now I'm gonna take it on the POCO C65. There we go. So the photo was taken, and now let's take a look for the comparison. I guess it will be looks the same, but let's see. Okay, so as you can see, that's the preview of the photos, and for me it actually looks the same. There's no difference in this photo. So the 50 megapixel mode works correctly on the both devices. Maybe that's the different color vibration on the photos, but the quality is actually the same. So yeah, that's all, and right now please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.